Hey guys, my name's Will, and this is a video that I've been attempting to make for a very long time. But I haven't been able to because my camera battery kept dying on me. So, hear that? Ooh, interesting. Yep, that's right. They're installed all the way done. Here's the downstairs one, not running right now. Stays much warmer upstairs. It's really humid out right now. This one runs a lot though during the day. Insulation. Disconnect. Yep. Very, very nice units. Panel's a little bit loose. Typical small carrier rattling happens on all of their units, which is fine. Cold and sweaty, and that is definitely warmed. Yeah. So 90 there, 90 there, 90 there. Very quiet. I'm standing, I don't know, 10 feet away from it and I can barely hear it. Alright. Let's see. So, gas line system is much better down here, so, than what it was. Over here, there's crawl space. There's the box or the wolf. And over here is the rigid, so there's not a wasp's nest. Gonna try to get in here. Okay, so far. Yes, I'm terrified of bees. I can't admit that. Absolutely terrified of them. Okay, well, here we go. So, here it is, right here. So you put the pipe in there, when you screw this down, it clamps it. Like that, and then it's all folded up, but this slides out. And like if you need to cut it, you take this pipe cutter and rest it on there. And you can cut the pipe, because this will turn the pipe, and then you just tighten the pipe cutter. Also, there's this is the threading tool right here. The threading tool, you put your iron pipe through here, and then you put the threading tool on, and the switch, which is back there, and it pretty much threads it. And you just go, takes it off, and then he takes another tool, don't know where it is, and then he, since it kind of smashes it when you thread it, it brings the pipe back to its original diameter, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much how it works. It's a cool little thing. He's just keeping it in here because it's a pain to get back into his truck, and he'll be back today, so yeah. And then you have to pour oil on it while you're threading it. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Out.